I stayed on my own. Na-eme ihe m na-eme. Kwena ghọta na-enweta results. It's about connectivity. It's about influence awụ ma mgbe ị bịara wuru n'isi gị na-eru ebe. Influence is about ihe ime nwụrụ. Influence is about your projects that are golden to the society. Ebe a ka iji bido say that okay, if we must unify ndị Igbo, we must also be responsible for ndị Igbo. Ebe a ka isi bido ihe a kpọrọ ndị Igbo Cultural and Social Enlightenment for Unity Foundation. It's not a political movement. It's a foundation for cultural enlightenment. Just like the award I went yesterday. The award I went na Umori, yeah? It's for Ecuador. So the Ecuador ihe ordinal ndị Igbo, Ecuador ihe ejimara ndị Igbo, Igbo culture.
Yes.
So I enwe that foundation create ya ka enwe ike iji charity na-aba na the indigenous communities of ndị Igbo, ndị a na-anụ na 5 eastern states, ndị a governors na-elere anya. No, there's no political representation for them. There are no social amenities. So ebe a ka iji partner, the people that we have partnered with is Pine Leaf Estates and Eastside Ventures. Ka enwe ike na-ewegara ndị aid, which today we have built toilets for their schools. For 30 years, arụrụ school ha enwe toilet. Ụmụazị na-aga na ime ọhịa aga mposhi. You can imagine the difficulty. Ha enwe water. Ebe ha na-echute mmiri na ngene. Ha chute boil ya. Ụfọdụ ndị ga-boil ya, ụfọdụ edosakwa nwa nyota. Enweghị na-eme ha. Mana today now, agbapụrụle ha mmiri courtesy of Pine Leaf Estate.
Wow.
Courtesy of Pine Leaf Estate na ndị Igbo. So ndị Igbo na-atụta. Kwena ghọta? Nwa nke ha tụtara ya ejiri ya rụọ that toilet. Then Pine Leaf kwana adịkwa committed more na ịba na Benue. Okay, company like Kulele Bitters nyere anyị ọkụ bigger about 20 solar panels, solar energy. Na ga amount ọra ndị Benue, ndị Igbo na Benue. Ebe anyị nwe ọkụ. Ha enwe ihe dịka electric pole. Enwe ihe dịka electric, ndị ama electricity. Ha enwekwu mmiri. So anyị na-elekwa anya with the partnership anyị nwere with all these companies. Na ga-ewegara ha ihe ndị, na ga na-eme ihe ndị ka ọ na-aga. And you begin to, a lot of my contemporaries too bịara na-enye propaganda na adị interested na ego na awụ na it is money that is motivating. Na ajụ ha say I started moving around without something. I was dey happy that na kedebe m she ego a kedebe o shi abịa through endorsement deals. The endorsement deals, others ga sign endorsement deals, ga were nego, ga mewe ihe dịrịla ha. But I still infuse the money into moving. Now, I did not just sign endorsement deals with companies. Rather, I still bring these companies to aid Ali Igbo. How many people in Megea? How many akojom? How many? So, mana I were na ase okirikiri ka na agba ukwosi. God, Chukwu okike. Chukwu munyere m akụ n'aka. Mee emume adịrị otu m dị. In the image of God. Nye m the vision. Ma ihe ọ chọrọ ka anyị mee, and anyị na-emere ya ihe ọ chọrọ. Ya ga o ji na-agọzikwe. Ya ga o ji mee nke ọbụla anyị mere. Anyị enweta result. Nke ọbụla anyị pụtakwara, anyị enweta result. So ọwụ mmadụ na-eme.
Own a land, secure your future. Invest with Pine Leaf Estate and Properties Limited for your peace of mind.
Dalu, afom Naba award enye that yesterday. Congratulations on the wonderful award and everything.
Thank you.
Afom the Symbolism, Ecolo, and
yes.
Kedi here necessitated the award. What is it for? By any means, in totality. Okay. What was the award for?
The award is more spiritual than it's physical. It's more spiritual than it's physical. Onye nyere anyị ya wụ aje mmụọ na-agụ arọ na Nneyi Umweri n'ezi Umweri. It's spiritual. Aje mmụọ na-agụ arọ wo a spiritual symbol or a man, but all the more spiritually, he's more spiritual than he's physical. No more. George. Ha garuru Igbo gbaa afa jụọ kedu ndị na-akwado the survival of the Igbo race in totality. My name and other names was mentioned. Adandigbo was mentioned. Maazị Dibia was mentioned. Chuka Ndunesoku was mentioned. Another lady and other people was mentioned because these people are from any other person. Call all of them content creators, but they are more spiritually, more spiritual. So that ikoro, ilanya. Onye na-akụ boto as in na-akụ ikoro. Ikute ndị Igbo n'ụra. Ndị Igbo are slumbering.
Wake up call.
Wake up call. Wake up. Tete. N'oge erugo. Mgbe Igbo ga-eji were their rightful position in the Committee of Nations. While others, why njigwa gị na ozuru ezu, including you, onwe ndị nọ na economic renaissance of ala Igbo, onwe ndị nọ na security renaissance of ala Igbo, onwezi ndị nọ na the cultural, spiritual renaissance of ala Igbo. That while mjime again at least wona, I am a unifier with verifiable evidence that I have called brother from here, called brother from here, called brother from here. Let's meet. And we met. And here I wrote that I unify Igbos now where they resonate. It is echoing in Ekwere. The people that are interested in this identity crisis hates me. But the work I made is putting them into shame. Because it is through our work, where this Ekwere presidency something now, very, very strong. Before now, before we came, there was nobody talking about unifying in Igbo in this proportion. So that is why IG offered the Ayanaka. And then, provided we are still doing the work of God, nobody can take offer from another man. Offer the Ayanaka firmly on this hand. Nobody can take it. Because we have a mission. And I have never gotten so sick for 3 years. I say I've never gotten so sick. Normal stress of issue, stress of the fatigue. But I've never been in the hospital. I have not spent money since I was old.
No. Let's help you create some magic. Let's help you capture your best moments. Let's help you relive your memories. Book us now at Yarn Content Factory. Let's give your events and video production the perfect touch.